Good morning, students. Welcome you all. Today we are going to learn your maths lesson number 4, practice set 18, and we have done till the practice set 17 in the last video. So you can see the link which is in the description box. So now we will learn about the opposite rays. What is opposite rays? So first of all, I am going to tell you what is origin. We have learned in the last year also. In the number line 0 is the origin. Okay. See here. B is what? Origin. B is what? Origin. Two rays which have a common origin. See, this is the ray and this is the ray. And they have a common origin. You know what is rays? Rays is what? See, like this. From year to year, this is called rays. From year to year. One side is arrow mark. So, this is called rays. We have learned in the last year. So, two rays which have a common origin and form a straight line. What are said to be opposite rays? See here, it has written in your textbook. Two rays which have a common origin and form a straight line are said to be opposite rays. This you have to write it in your notebook. This is very important points. All these points you have to write it in your notebook, which is in the blue line. So see here, B is the origin. BA is the ray from B to A. How we will read this ray? BA, not AB, because BA is the ray and here BC is the ray. So BA is opposite to which rays? BC rays. Ray BA opposite to ray BC. These are opposite rays. See, in practice set 18, here figure is given like this. And first question is what? Name the pairs of opposite rays in the figure alongside. Here we have to name the opposite rays. Just now we have learned how to read the rays, opposite rays. So here P is the origin of this and this also. First we will see the first pair. PN and PT. Ray PN and PT. This is the first pair. How do we write? Ray PN and ray PT. Ray PN and ray PT. So, next rays is what? Ray PL and ray PM. What? Second pair is what? Ray PL and ray PM. Now, first question we have done. You have to write it in your notebook like this way. Question number 2. Are the ray PM and PT opposite rays? Give reason for your answer. Are the ray PM and PT are opposite rays? These are opposite rays. Now we have learned opposite rays is what? Which have a common origin and form a straight line. See, this ray is not forming a straight line. See, here is this like this. PM is ray and PT is also ray. But these are not opposite rays. So, what we will write? No, because the rays do not form a straight line. Do not form a straight line. Here you have to give the reason. Here is asking give reason for your answer. First we said what? No. And what is the reason? Because the rays do not form straight line. These rays do not form straight line. See, these are what? In straight line. These are in straight line. These are in straight line. But these are not form a straight line. Is that clear? So practice set 18 have completed. Now we will move on practice set 19. For practice set 19, before going to start this practice set, we will learn about the linear pair. What is linear pair? Angles in a linear pair. So students, note down this point. The sum of the measures of the angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. What? The sum of the measures of the angles in linear pairs. The sum of the angles means total of these angle is 180 degree. And we all know from here to here is what? 180 degree. हम सबको मालूम है कि यहां से यहां तक कितना होता है? 180 degree. So what is linear pair? From this line there is a angle, two angles, and their sum is 180 degree is called linear pair. जब कभी एक लाइन के ऊपर ऐसे एंगल बनता है, ये एक लाइन है, राइट? दिस इज द लाइन एंड हियर देयर आर टू एंगल्स. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड लीनियर पेयर. व्हाट इज लीनियर पेयर? सी, एंगल PQR and angle RQS is equals to what? 180 degree. And we can say what? 180 degree is what? Supplementary angles also. We have learned about the what? The measure of the two angles. Sum of the measures of the two angle is 180 degree. That is known as supplementary angle. And PQR and RQS is also a adjacent angle. What? We can say adjacent angle. So in this figure, PQR and RQS are adjacent angle and are so all what? Also supplementary angle. Is that clear? Students, we have learned what is adjacent angle, which have a common arm. Got it? Which have a common arm. Adjacent angle is what? Common arm. See, RQ or QR is the common arm of PQR and RQS. So this is adjacent angle and we can say what? Supplementary angles, and this is linear pair. Angles in a linear pair. And you have to remember the sum of the measures of the angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. Major angle PQR, see here, major angle PQR plus major angle QRS is equals to 180 degree. Why? Because angles in a linear pair. Clear? So angles which have a common arm, and whose other arms form a straight line are said to be angles in a linear pair. Is that clear to you all? Angles which have a common arm. See, these angles have a common arm, this one. And other arms, these arms and these arms, form a straight line. Straight line is said to be linear pair. Understood? Angles in a linear pair are supplementary angles. Supplementary angle means 180 degree. Supplementary means what? 180 degree. Angles in a linear pair are supplementary angle, or we can say angles in a linear pair is what? 180 degree. So you all have understood. Now let's start practice set 19. Draw the pairs of angles and described below as described below. If that is not possible, say why. Here draw the pairs of angles. In these questions, we have to draw the pairs of angles which is given in the questions. And if that is not possible, if we cannot draw these angles, these pairs of the angle, so we have to say why. We have to give the reason. First one is what? Complementary angles that are not adjacent. Don't get confused. It is very, very easy. Complementary angles that are not adjacent. Here is saying complementary angle. So students, complementary angle means what? 90 degree. Complementary means what? 90 degree. That are not adjacent means हमको एक ही एंगल पे, adjacent means what? नेक्स्ट, जिसका कॉमन आर्म रहता है, यानी एक ही एंगल में दो एंगल बनाते हैं हम लोग, राइट? सो दैट इज adjacent. But here is what? saying what? Complementary angles that are not adjacent, means we have to make the angles of two angles which which sum is 90 degree. So it will complementary angle but not what? Adjacent. Now I am drawing this. So we know sum of the two angles, what? Major sum of the measures of the two angle is 90 degree, that is complementary angle. So here we have to make two angles of what? Sum of that two angle will be 90. So we can take any angle. हम लोग कोई भी दो एंगल लेंगे जिसका दोनों का टोटल कितना होना चाहिए? 90 होना चाहिए. If you take 50, then other angle you have to take 40. So 50 plus 40 is what? 90. If you are taking 30 degree angle, so next angle you have to take which? 60 degree. Understood? Sum of the two angles of what? Measure of the two angles should be 90 degree. That will be complementary angle. So now we will draw. So it's your choice. You can take any measure of the angle, but two angles should be 90 degree. So here I am taking first 50 degree. Okay. $50 degree angle. This is 50 degree. And the second one, what we have to take? 40. Because 50 is here, so we have to take 40 degree. Now give the names of these angles: A, B, C, P, Q, R. So 50 plus 40. So we have done this one. Complementary angles that are not adjacent, right? Because इसके arms जो है वो common नहीं है. These arms are different. So complementary angles that are not adjacent. First one is completed. Now see the second one. Angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary. Angles in a linear pair. See here, I have shown you what? Angles in a linear pair like this, which are not supplementary. So it is not possible, because we have learned angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. We have learned this one. So we cannot draw this. Angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary. So we will write what? We will write what? Not possible. Students, we have to show this one. So we can't show this one. Why? Because angles in a linear pair is always supplementary. Not possible because angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. हमने अभी सीखा ना, जो लीनियर पेयर में जो एंगल्स होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? सप्लीमेंट्री होते हैं. और ये यहाँ पे क्या बताने बोल रहा है? विच आर नॉट सप्लीमेंट्री. सो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Question number 3. Complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. What? Complementary angles. We have to make complementary angles, means two angles, measure of the two angles will be 90. But do not form a linear pair. So it is also very easy. हम लोग लीनियर पेयर किस में बनाते हैं? सप्लीमेंट्री में बनाते हैं. वैसे भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री में तो बनता ही नहीं है, तो हम लोग उसको बता सकते हैं. सो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल व्हाट? 90. सो यू हैव टू मेक टू एंगल्स. वन इज, इट्स योर चॉइस. इफ यू कैन टेक 30 or 50, or you can take 20 and 70. We'll take 60 and 30. It's your choice. Again, I'm telling it's your choice. You can take any measures. This is what? 60. And here I'm taking 60 plus 30. So this is 30 and give the name A, B, C and L, M, N. 60 plus 30. So complementary angle that do not form linear pair. Question number 4. Adjacent angles which are not in a linear pair. Adjacent angles which are not in a linear pair. बता इधर ही बता चल दिखाई दे चल adjacent angle. See here we have learned what linear in angles in a linear pair. It what form a their arms form a straight line, that is linear pair. And here we have learned this is also adjacent angle. But in this question adjacent angle which are not in a linear pair, it means हमको लीनियर पैर में नहीं बनाना है. एडजेसेंट एंगल बताना है बट लीनियर पैर नहीं होना चाहिए. लीनियर पैर क्या होता है? जिसके ये लाइन स्ट्रेट होती है, राइट? सो वी कैन ड्रॉ लाइक दिस ऑफ एनी लेंथ. आप एक ऐसी रफ में बना सकते हो. सी एंड here I am taking like this. Sorry. This is what? Adjacent angles. See, I am giving name P, Q, R, S. See, this is adjacent angle. Why? Because QS is the common arm. This is what? Common arm. And in adjacent angle we have learned the which is have a common arm is called adjacent angle. So PQS, SQR. This is adjacent angle and this is not in a linear pair. Clear? So this have done. Now question number 5. Angles which are neither complementary nor adjacent. So students, angles which are neither complementary means वो एंगल जो ना ही कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है और ना ही एडजेसेंट है. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री नहीं है दैट मीन्स इट शुड बी लेस देन 90. मीन्स 90 डिग्री से कम वाले जो एंगल्स होंगे वो क्या होंगे? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री होंगे. एंड एडजेसेंट नहीं होंगे दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू ड्रॉ सेपरेट एंगल्स. गॉट इट? सो मैं यहाँ पे आपको रफ डायग्राम बना के बता रही हूँ एंड यू हैव टू मेक दी फेयर. सी if I am taking here first one 30 degree. Okay. So if this is 30 degree, so next one should be not 90 because here is asking what? Neither complementary means complementary नहीं होना चाहिए. If you here you are taking 60 degree, so it will be complementary. So हमको 60 degree नहीं लेना है, हमको 90 से कम लेना है. That means we will take what? 50. So 50 degree. It means what? 50 plus 30, 90. So it is not complementary and this is not adjacent also. So 50 and 30 is what? 80. Complementary में कितना होता है? 90 होता है. तो ये 90 नहीं है. That means this is you have to draw. And one more pair we will take. If I take, see, if I take 50, so next will be what? बस 90 नहीं होना चाहिए. 90 से कम या 90 से ज्यादा भी चलेगा, बस कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री नहीं होना चाहिए. So here I am taking 45. What? 45. 50 plus 45 what? 95. It means what? This is not complementary and nor adjacent. ये मैंने रफ बनाया है and you have to draw the fair one. Now question number 6th. Angles in a pair which are complementary. Angles in a linear pair which are complementary. And we have learned what? Angles in a linear pair which are always supplementary means not possible. In this question you have to write, I am dictating you, not possible, same thing which we have write in this question. Question number 2. Not possible because angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. In question number 6 you have to write this one, this line. Because linear pair के जो angles होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? Supplementary होते हैं, not complementary. So you have to write not possible because angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. Is that clear to you all? You have to write this line in your notebook and complete it. This one which I have explained you. So thank you students.